Welcome back to the channel. I've got some news. I had something arrive in the post today. My DJI 03 goggles. Now, I've had this little guy for about a week now. I've been flying line of sight. My first flight, I crashed it, broke the frame. So I bought a white one to replace and a bunch more because I'm probably going to do it again. But now I can actually fly FPV with this guy. So this is going to be my first time flying digital. Oh my goodness, it is clear. Here we go. Oh my, that is insane. I can see like every rock. Wow, looks beautiful. Oh my goodness, that is brilliant. The colors, oh wow, that is insane. This is way better than analog. Holy cow, look at that, just brilliant. Well, I'm impressed. Goodness, it is so clear. It's really immersive. Okay, let's see if I can land better than I have before. Jeez. It's going to be hard to go back to the analog, that's for sure. Impossible maybe. But I need to practice. Okay, I'm going to bring it in for a landing. If I won't knock over the camera again. Oof. Wow. Like 10 out of 10. That's brilliant. I'm out for a walk this morning. Looking for a place to fly, but it's super foggy. I reckon it'll look actually pretty cool when I'm flying around. I'm going to use my digital system, the DJI Goggles 3 and my Meteor75. It's day 2 of having them now, and so I've did about 5 flights yesterday. And I'm seriously impressed. It's pretty insane, the quality of the video. I'm not sure if it represents to me just flying better in general, but it feels like it. It's pretty wild. So before I got my goggles, I flew my Meteor75 just line of sight. And note to self, I'm shit at flying line of sight, and I crashed it into a wall like really hard. It broke the frame. So that was like my first experience with flying the Meteor75. So anyway, I bought a new frame. Actually, I bought a couple new frames, a new canopy, and some screws and stuff for in case I break it next time. And so now I was a little bit nervous flying for the second time, but with the goggles it's completely different. And man, it flies fantastic. Like, that's the best quad I've ever flown. Compared to my Petrol 75, I don't know, it just seems, maybe because it's a little heavier, it has a bit more, I don't know, just it's a little smoother. So, pretty impressed with the flight of the Meteor75, and it's definitely my favorite quad so far. So I'm in town for the night, and we're just staying in a hotel across the road from the convention center. And I was looking at this place last night and thinking this would be sweet to fly. And check this out. Oh yeah, I want to fly through that. There's lots of different obstacles around here. It's actually quite a nice spot. The fog's insane. This looks like a good spot. Alright, let's set up. Alright, day 2 of flying my digital system. I've come to this exhibition center. There's some pretty cool obstacles, so see what happens. I'm probably going to crash a lot. Let's go. Super misty today. Looks pretty cool though. Okay, here we go. I'm going to go through the gap. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh, my lens is getting all fogged up. Flying in fog screws up the lens, eh? Let's try again. Oh, the fog is getting on the lens, I think. I really want to do a backflip or a front flip. I didn't even know what I do. I think it's a front flip. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Shit, that was my first, I think it was backflip, right? With my digital system. except I can barely see anything. Okay, well that's it for this spot. It's fun going through that clock. I gotta come back here when it's less foggy.